Hey trader, I'm Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. For the past 2 weeks, I've been receiving a lot of questions from traders that I should do a video breakdown on what time frame is the best for any trading strategy. In today's video, I will show you all the secrets that will help you to understand the time frame better than before. If that sounds good, click the like, subscribe and turn on the notification button, and I will see you after the intro. Welcome back. Let's start from weekly time frame using Euro USD. The first thing you need to do is to understand the historical price action movement. I've seen a lot of beginner traders, they focus their attention only on what is happening currently in the market, maybe like 1 week data, 2 weeks data, 3 weeks data. Is not a bad idea. Looking at what is happening on Euro USD weekly time frame right now, we have to understand the historical data by establishing zones that are valid. If we draw our key level zone from this place to the current price action, you will agree with me that the price action reacted here, price broke it to the upper side, retested this zone again, price bought from the same key zone to the upper side, came back again, it was rejected, bought again, price sold down to this same key level again, then bought, price came back again, bought, came back again, bought. When price reached this zone, before we now had a major break, it was a pressure from the sellers starting from this zone here that invalidated this key zone. So looking at the historical data, you can see how many times price reacted around this key zone. Look at the data we use from 2022 data to 2024 price action data. After establishing the first key level zone, which has been serving as support here around this zone here, price broke the support. Now is no longer support anymore, is now resistance. That is the first historical key level zone that we have to establish by using the historical price action movement. Since the price action already invalidated this long-term support zone, where is the next key level zone that the price action is heading to before any major reaction will occur in the future? If you look at the historical data, you agree with me that this zone here is also the next historical key level zone. The price action broke here. This is the next zone that the price action is heading to. Price reacted here, price reacted here, price invalidated it, turned into resistance, price retested the key level zone again, then price bought massively. So now that the price action is coming back to this key level zone, there is tendency for price action to respect it. Two things will happen. It's either the price action break it to the downside, or price react here, buy a little bit to this resistance, then price will now sell. The next step is to establish who is ruling the market. As we can see, the phase of the price action was changed around this zone here as a result of this reversal pattern. This is a clear bearish reversal pattern that formed double top. Price action broke the neckline. What happened after the neckline breakout? Price action was selling massively by creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and it has been a strong downtrend market. Let's get down to daily time frame. Remember, these are the two weekly key zone, and that is what is going to give us a trending range for the daily time frame. Any price action analysis we want to do on daily time frame, we don't have any business with any activities going on above this resistance zone. Our major focus is how price is going to react between these two frequency key level zone. We need to check the historical data of the price action as well. If you check the historical data of Euro USD from 2022, you will realize that we have a valid frequency key zone around this place here. Let me change the color. We are using green for the weekly key zone and we are using blue for the daily key zone. Price reacted around this zone here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. So in the future, we're expecting price action to either break this daily support here or react to retest our weekly resistance zone where we want to take a major weekly sell opportunity and then sell down to this place. After that, we need to establish the trend on the daily time frame as well. If you look at the historical data on daily time frame, you agree with me that the price action is also bearish. The sellers are the one dominating the market from this high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's a bearish market. That means we are looking for sell opportunity on daily as well. Weekly is bearish, daily is also bearish. That is a strong confirmation that whatever the price action is doing on the lower time frame, they are going to respect the price action decision on weekly and daily at the end of the day. The next thing we have to do now is to scale down to the lower time frame, which is 4 hours time frame. This is our sentiment. We want the price action to retrace from this zone to this weekly resistance zone. Let's play the candlestick. Look at the volume reaction around this place here. We had weak rejection, the low volume reduction here. The buyers tried to push the price action to the upper side to continue the minor bullish retracement, but the buyers came in and changed the structure on 4 hours time frame to bearish from this low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, back to what? Low. Price action just invalidated this last higher low during this minor bullish retracement structure on 4 hours time frame. Now we're now back to bearish structure on 4 hours time frame. Now we need to make use of our sell position too. By executing here, we place our stop loss above it. Our first target is going to be this daily key level zone. Second target is going to be this 4 hours minor key zone. Then our long-term third take profit is going to be at this weekly support zone. Let's play the candlestick. Price smash our first take profit, then price is also approaching our second take profit. Let's play the candlestick as well. Price smashed both our second take profit and our third take profit zone. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.